How to make super creamy oat milk. You're going to need a blender, rolled oats, and very cold water. You're also going to need a nut milk bag and containers to store the milk. You'll need 8 cups of cold water and 3 cups of rolled oats. Pour everything into your blender and blend for no more than 20 seconds. Next, place your nut milk bag into a bowl. Pour the blended oats into the bowl. Now lift the bag and strain by squeezing out the oat milk. And you're pretty much finished. Now you can pour into your containers and store in the fridge for about a week. You can use your oat milk in coffee, in your cereal, or even in your oatmeal. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you so much for watching.